To some energy news now, and players in the energy sector are exploring fresh options to bring down the cost of power in the country. Top on the table is a review of power tariffs to cut costs for industries, as well as giving incentives to enable manufacturers conduct businesses at the night. Here are the details. The power supply, reliability and affordability were some of the talking points as policy makers and top chief executives drawn from the power industry charted the way forward for Kenya's energy sector at the Energy Forum held at the Strathmore Business School in Nairobi.
Why are we still having subdued demand of power? We have had investment in the last 5 years or 10 years. Billions have been poured in the country in investment, but still our demand is still very low. We have only grown by 15% from 1,400 to 1,700.
Out of the forum, it emerged that other key areas that businesses want speedy reforms is the time taken for installation of power for business premises.
From where we sit, we have also been fairly concerned on the growth in demand. And there are certain mechanisms that, as an industry, we are looking at with a view to growing demand. Chief among them are obviously things like, telling government through the Ministry of Industrialization, can we look at ways of spicing up, uptake of this product through SMEs and small cottage industries so that we then enhance demand.
On average, businesses say it takes at least 21 days to get connected, something that has locked out many small enterprises.
And an area like SME, are we giving them the same benefits like the last mile program? Those are the questions now we'll bring on the table. How can we accelerate demand for power? We have 4 million customers that were connected in the last 3-4 years. But why is the demand so low? Are there opportunities to mechanize everything that they are doing? The issue is not about cheap. The issue is the reliability and quality. And if you need power, are you going to get it within 10 days?
Another crucial area was a review in the tariffs set by the Energy Regulatory Commission, which players say is a major hindrance to cheaper power.
Also, the tariffs at night, can you change them so that at night there is a lower tariff? Manufacturers can work. That's what we call 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy is not about the street lights. It's about manufacturing working at night because the power is cheaper at night. So those are the discussions we want to bring on the table.
With a fast-growing manufacturing sector in the country, reliability of power continues to be an elusive subject, begging the question as to whether the government ought to break the monopoly enjoyed by the utility firm Kenya Power by allowing other players to come in this space. Abi Agina, KTN Business.